Right, we begin this bulletin with some breaking news. A local court in Delhi has issued summons to the male complainant in the Cheif Justice of India case. This after the Delhi police moved a plea in court seeking to cancel the bail of the former women's Supreme Court staffer who has levelled accusations against CJI Ranjan Gogoi. My colleague Meenakshi Bhanja joins me on the phone line with more details. Meenakshi, what exactly is the background of this case and why is it that the local court has issued summons to the male complainant in this particular case?
Well, very quickly, let's understand how this is playing out. This is playing out in multiple forums. One, we are seeing a special bench being constituted, which has called for high-ranking officials, including from the Intelligence Bureau, for consultative processes to be undertaken in chambers, which is presently underway as we speak. That is happening in the Supreme Court. There is an in-house committee that has been constituted last evening, which will also be meeting this female complainant and ascertaining the veracity of the complaints that she has levelled against the incumbent Honorable Chief Justice of India. And that apart, this complainant's antecedents had two cases pending with Delhi police. In one case, of course, the Delhi police had not opposed bail to her. And in the second complaint, which is pending with the Delhi police, there is a case of criminal intimidation that has been filed against this female complainant, this female ex-staffer of the Supreme Court. And in that, we have the local court today issuing summons for the male complainant against the female Supreme Court staffer to be present in the local court on the 3rd of May, when the local court will decide, as per Delhi Police's new demand, if or not bail to this former Supreme Court staffer who's facing criminal intimidation case in a disparate judicial forum should be entertained and should be granted or not. So it is playing out in multiple judicial forums. There are two inquiries and one special bench being constituted, which is happening in the Supreme Court and in the local court, where there are two complaints against the female former Supreme Court staffer. In that, the male complainant now has been summoned by the local court to appear on the 3rd of May.
Right, as Meenakshi Bhanja was saying, these proceedings are happening parallelly, one in the Supreme Court, and that, of course, we will keep a close eye on. Meenakshi, thanks so much for joining us with those details.